I've been associated with for I think 15, 16 years. We've been training, and through the course of time, I got to know his sister Geeta, who's married to Praveen. And I've known for a very long time that Praveenji has been wanting to make a very meaningful film. In fact, you had given the script a long time back to read as well, and I'm really proud and happy that finally the film is made, and that too with public funding, which is beautiful. And this topic is a very sensitive topic. I think not just to the filmmakers, I think to all us Indians out here who really value our elders in the family, whether it's our grandfather, grandmother. I come from the school of thought where no matter how far away a relative is, a blood relative, but at the end of the day, they are old, and it's because of them that we are here. Our generation is here, so we have to respect them and look after them till the last day that they are here with us. Thank you, and I think I'm waiting to see the promo.
Yeah, I would request you to launch the trailer. So we are ready. Thank you very much. This cinema is somehow, I felt, had a soul. This is very personal, opinion. I don't know. The audience will say, "What is this?" at all. But somehow it touched many people in the various countries like London, Australia, Holland, and Dutch people, English people. They said this is a problem we have too. Somehow, when we completed the movie with Satya and we together produced it, then came how to release the movie, because that's the most difficult part. And then the idea came from some festival. Okay, you put the stage, web page, some website you open it and they put the money. I said they may be because emotional by seeing the movie. Maybe tomorrow they will forget about it. But after 3 months, the same gentleman sent me a message. Praveen, you remember I met you on this festival and I told you that you put a website and we'll give you the money to release it.
I just want to say thank you so much to everyone. And this movie is really, and it has some message for society. And yeah, we need your good luck and lots of wishes. So thank you again so much. I just want to say this.
ये कौन है? अरे भाई हटो यार बैठ जाओ.
Brilliant. Okay. I really want to watch the entire film. The promo left me on a note where I really want to know what happens to Dadi, and it's very touchy. As I said, I come from the same school of thought, so I would definitely want to watch the movie on 10th of April. All the best, brother.
One small incident. My music director is also here. I'll introduce later when we come for the photographs. And the lyricist, Rohit, please. Rohit Sharma ji. Rohit ji. He is the music director. And Mr. Ravindra Rambha was the lyricist. And I'm very thankful to you for creating something. Robbie, you have some questions?
ईशा जी हाय आपके सामने. ईशा जी आपने कहा कि ये फिल्म आप जाके थिएटर में देखने वाली है, तो कोई ऐसी भी जगह है जहाँ पर आप पैदल चलकर जाना पसंद करती हैं?
गोवा. क्यों नहीं? Why not?
और ईशा जी हम आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर कब तक देखेंगे? आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर हमें कब तक देखने को मिलेगा? बिकॉज बहुत दिन हो गया आपकी फिल्मों का ट्रेलर देखे हुए.
फिलहाल मेरा रोडीज का ट्रेलर और इट्स ऑन एयर, सो एंजॉय मी ऑन एमटीवी रोडीज.
और ईशा जी हमारी बॉलीवुड इंडस्ट्री में शादी का भी एक ट्रेंड चल रहा है. कई सारे लोगों की शादी भी हो रही है. हमने सुना कि शाहिद कपूर की भी शादी होने वाली है, तो उन्हें कुछ टिप्स देना चाहेंगे आप?
शादी का ट्रेंड तो नहीं होता है. शादी तो एक इट्स ट्रेडिशन, और जब किसी का एज होता है और उन्हें अपना राइट लाइफ टाइम पार्टनर मिलता है, तब जाके कोई शादी करता है. ट्रेंड की वजह से आज तक मुझे नहीं लगा किसी ने शादी किया है.
अच्छा प्रवीण जी, एक सवाल आपसे है कि
वर्ड किधर यूज
यहाँ पे फिल्म रियल लाइफ से कितनी मिलती जुलती है या इंस्पायर्ड है कहीं से फिल्म?
देखिए, मैं ये नहीं कहूँगा कि इस कहानी में एक कहानी किसी एक व्यक्ति की कहानी है, निश्चित रूप से एक समाज, इट्स अ मिरर टू आवर लाइफ. आई थिंक मैनी पीपल आर having this kind of family problem, this kind of neglect, this kind of social isolation, and this kind of elders painful neglect is the worst thing happening in the world now. Worst thing happening. Even the social media has come. We have cut down more than earlier. We earlier used to sit with them and talk to them, watching TV. Now we don't watch even TV, and we are busy in our life. So it's like observation of everyone, everyday's life, and then the whole story came. So it is not from a particular person's point of view, but some particular story.
Hi, so my question is to you here. Have you ever, Isha, have you ever walked anywhere barefoot or when and where? If yes.
Tirupati.
Oh, wow. And any questions do you have to life because it's questioning life at the end?
Pardon?
Any question do you have towards life saying that कि हाँ ये क्यों कैसे कहाँ कभी?
I would say I'm consider myself too young to reach that stage to question life so early. With God's grace, we all should have nice, happy, long lives where our children and our grandchildren look after us. And life itself is a beautiful question and mystery, and each day we get answers to all our questions. I would say that's what's interesting about life.
Ravi, my question is to you. Why not any Bollywood celebrities in the movie? It seems like it's been a hard house movie, but no celebrities. Any?
I think the film itself is the answer. The grandmother is 85-year-old. She has worked with Amir's PP Live and Shah Rukh Khan's Swadesh, and the children are still.
मैं आंसर देना चाहूँगा
भाई ये साउंड कम करो, ऐसा साउंड है
मोबाइल की वजह से हो रहा है.
तो मैं ये आंसर देना चाहूँगा कि स्टोरी तो हर किसी की लाइफ में रोज होती है, और अगर आप कोई फिल्म से कुछ सीख के जाते हैं और कुछ मैसेज लेके जाते हैं तो वो एक अच्छा स्टोरी बोल लें, अच्छा सिनेमा बोल लें, या अच्छा एक टीचिंग लेसन बोल लें. तो सबकी लाइफ में वही प्रॉब्लम है, लेकिन सब लोग कुछ आइटम नंबर या दूसरे सॉन्ग देखना चाहते हैं, लेकिन हम वो भी देखते हैं और ये लोगों को दिखाना चाहते हैं कि कुछ देख के आप सीख के जाएं तो वो हमारा मोटो सॉल्व होता है उससे. तो जस्ट एक पैशन था हम पूरी फैमिली का, ये कुछ ऐसी फिल्म बनाई कि लोग बोले यार इसमें कुछ मैसेज था. तो बस इसी दौरान ये फिल्म फाइनल हुई और बन के आपके सामने है.
So one more question: do you enjoying Rory's season this time?
Yeah. Isha is looking so nice. But she has sent me some photos. It was looking so nice, and good luck for the show. And she's happy. The most important thing to do something which interests her. Yeah,
Praveenji, is it a short film or is it a full-length commercial film? And also, I'd like you to speak a little about the child actors.
Okay,
Where you found them from, and was it easy to?
This is a feature film, okay?
It is. Okay.
It is, the beauty is that this film is on an international format about 84 minutes, 85 minutes.
Okay.
And because we never wanted to stretch unnecessarily.
Yeah.
And the cinema, it has to be within that limit. Child artist, this girl is Sara Nahar from Ahmedabad. It took me 6 months and more than 500 auditions. Sometimes in the mall looking at some girls, and people say, oh, what are you doing, man, looking at the girls, like this. And it took many cities, and then finally I found she is in Ahmedabad, an NIT professor's daughter. She has very intellectual look, and you can see the intensity in the eyes, and say, okay, this is my philosopher, child. And then it didn't take me more than 5 minutes to convince the parents. They were very happy. The boy is from Mumbai, Prakhar, and they really performed wonderful. I think many people have seen the greats of the cinema, world cinema, have seen this film because of my sorry.
Prakhar is his son.
See, that was another case. It is not because my son saw it, because it was exam time, and I was very firm. I will shoot only in January. Also, the 4 seasons, all locations, and I decided that this is the time I have to shoot, whether I make this year or that year or that year. It will be only in the January. Then whatever boys we selected, they all, one by one say, no, we have exam. Then my cinematographer one day, he came from the cricket practice and said, oh, why don't you take Prakhar? I said, no, 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 I won't. Then he heard it. It's okay, but I'll act. If you give me one Xbox, then okay, I'm available. And I knew he's, he's in a 50% kind of thing. We don't care much about the education of, marks and all that. It's okay, let's try this guy. And then I think they both together really did wonder. But it's because of him I'm announcing, otherwise I don't say he is my son anyway.
So Praveen, have you written the script? Yeah. Have
sorry.
you written the script, and how did you go about the scripting during the?
Okay. I took 1 year to prepare the whole thing. Only one draft. The script has only one draft. I completed the script, dialogues, and everything. And then naturally, my good friend of Ajay, he's also sitting here. He acted in the movie also as a type. He's sitting here. And we read once. I said, no, we will not, make it like, design the script. We don't want to design. Let it be whatever comes in the, art. We have written it, and now let's go and shoot it. And but yes, we were very prepared. After that script, that we went same place 4 times in a different season. Logged the place. We are shooting this place, this place, this place, this place. Because we had very limited budget. We wanted a very good landscape. Timings of the landscape, seasons, characters, backdrop in those landscapes. So I would say this is very, the script is from very hard. It has not kind of think you write a drama, this, that, it has to be beginning, it has to be end, it has to be this. So it is not in a very conforming pattern of scripting of the I think we should ask. Okay. I tell about the crowd money. As I said, that gentleman in the festival said, why don't you do this? Then we started and what to do. He said, okay, we took 6 laptops. I had my own laptop already. And 4 laptops on rent. And then 4 girls and 1 my friend. 6 people sitting on the. Then we decided we called some digital marketing companies from different Delhi, Bombay. They said we will do this. We'll make a banner. We'll make this. With this, we'll float, and the money will start coming. But you have to host the page on some funding companies, and after that, people will come and put the money. But remember, most crucial thing we have broken the myth. She said actually, 98% money will come from your friend and family. And I said, if my friends or family are going to put money, then why I need to give anybody 10%? I just said, Praveen, we'll put money and I'll make why should I go for anything? Then we said, no, we'll not ask anybody to put money from my family side. We decided not to put anybody request for funding to family. And then gradually we started, sending personal messages without spending any single paisa on any promotion or advertising. We started sending Facebook personal messages to dear Mr. Ramesh. Something like this, dear Mr. Rajesh, we made a video. If you like the trailer, you will love the cinema. Still, this film has been to many festivals, and now we request you to help us. If you wish, we can discuss further. And within 3 hours, the first money came from Hyderabad, CEO Agri Business, ITC division. He just saw the trailer, I said, I loved it. And he sent the money immediately. Within 3 hours, we were so happy. Beginning is good. And gradually, people started from, Canadian lady, Canadian, not Indian, Canadian origin lady, said, I'm a retired teacher. I have seen the movie. I want to give you whatever I can give you, and I want this film to be seen in India. Some Dutch lady yoga, some Australian, some many countries, And then gradually every day money started coming slowly. And we did many things new in India first time on the social media. We were very honest. I said very clear to our team members. Those were young people, 18, 19, 20, no experience on any marketing. Even I was, new also. And then we kept one thing very simple. We will be very honest. Even somebody shouts us, we say sorry. We don't have any other routes to reach you. So out of so many mails, I think we have sent around 30, 40, 50,000 mails, 50,000 messages in 45 days. 5 people shouted on this. How can you breach our privacy and sending us messages, this and that? I will complain this and that. I said sorry. I humbly say sorry, but we don't have. You are the only source to reach. And out of those 5, 3 are our funders now.
Thank you.
they started saying, okay, tell me, I'll help you. Let me see. One day, let me see. Then at the last day, one gentleman with $1,000 from US. He said, okay, Praveen, I'm part of your film. So that was the power of honesty. Because I said, we will be honest like our movie. Even I'm very poor in articulating the words. I'm very poor. You're realizing this. You are interacting with every people every day. But we say we speak from the heart. Whatever we are doing till now, we have 1,500 social media marketers, volunteers in India now. There is 200 bloggers ready to write about this movie. Many bloggers have compared this movie with greats of world cinema. Many greats like people who have Oscars in their hand, have seen movie and called me and had a. It's not I'm saying I'm great. I'm saying the cinema is superior than anybody else. Here something is going the other way around. I believe I am nothing, Satya is nothing, actors are nothing, but cinema should be the winner of the
क्या आप प्लान कर रही हैं फिल्म मेकिंग के लिए कोई सब्जेक्ट आपने सोचा है या यू वांट टू लाइक डायरेक्ट और प्रोड्यूस एनी फिल्म
Direct, I don't know right now, but definitely produce.
एनी सब्जेक्ट आप थॉट ऑफ
अरुण
एनी सब्जेक्ट आप थॉट ऑफ
Still in the process of thinking. And definitely I would also want, like Praveen said, the cinema to be the attraction besides stars in the film.
ईशा जी क्रिकेट देखती हैं आप?
हाँ आजकल ट्रेंड है ना क्रिकेट देखना तो मैं देख रही हूँ।
इंडिया सेमीफाइनल में जा चुकी है और तो कुछ विश करना चाहेंगे आप अपने अंदाज में?
Well, of course, I would like to wish our team all the very best. They've reached the semi-finals and looking forward to the match on Thursday. So yeah, I think everyone's going to take a holiday on Thursday.
आपका फेवरेट प्लेयर कौन है इस समय?
इस समय मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर था पहले से अभी भी है धोनी है और I also really enjoyed watching Yuvraj on the field. We definitely miss him on the field.
Isha here. As this film is about elderly people, have you ever seen someone elderly in some bad condition and you've helped them or something like that? Ever?
Fortunately, of what I have seen from the families that I come from, as everyone knows, my dad's house is literally mini Punjab. Anyone in trouble in Punjab, mostly elders, all his relatives, he has so many, they all are taken care of in the house. Similarly, my mom, we grew up with a lot of South Indian women in our household, from my grandmother to my grand aunt, lots of them, and my mom looked after them till their last days. And I am very happy and lucky that my husband and his family come from the same school of thought where they have relatives kept and looked after, so I definitely would like to teach my children the same principles. And I only have seen in movies that I fortunately have not seen. I mean, if I ever see some elderly person, in trouble or in need, I am the kind of person who will definitely go out and help them. But so far, I've only seen it in movies because of me seeing my grandparents being and the elders being looked after very well.
Very important point I need to make. When this film was seen by Helpage India chairman Mr. Cherian and Gurmakar Saptashi is here, he is the director of Helpage India. He said, Praveen, why don't you let's associate? I said, sir, nothing like this. Something we can do for the charity. This movie earns whatever little bit, I don't know how much. But even we are happy to share with us Helpage India for the cause of the people. So they are our charity partners, and we proudly say that. I'm happy to have them. Thank you, sir.
Praveen, we met a year ago, and I came from Chicago and saw this, and it's such an amazing film, and the theme really I relate to hearing my parents who came from India to U.S. and the values that they brought in the 70s, and what India was at that time. So I think this helps remind people, and it's going to really relate to people abroad too.
I think the cinema is not the answer of any problem, you know. That is very firmly I believe. So this film, even if you see the whole film, nobody raises a finger on anybody. Whether mother is wrong, father is wrong, or grandmother is wrong, or we are wrong, no. But it raises many, many questions. So when anybody who is away from the family, or away from the parents, or maybe feeling loneliness in these cities, you know, I feel very lonely in the city. I feel, you know, what I'm doing here sometimes, really. So like this, when this kind of cinema comes to, you know, them, they really raise them a lot of questions, a lot of, you know, turbulence in their life. They will certainly think, and I'm very sure when you leave this hall after watching cinema, you won't be able to talk at least 5 minutes. That much I can promise you. This is so powerful because I have seen. Why I'm saying so, because it's not my personal experience, but I've seen in a 14 festival, people the kind of, you know, shocking impact it has. It makes them think, and that's why I'm believing it will affect the, you know, American people also, the Indian NRIs also, like in UK, Australia, and many other places. I'm sure people will take, and this is not a preachy cinema. You know, it has a. I believe personally, I believe the audience is the most intelligent person on this earth. Filmmakers, you know, second. I believe myself, no, I'm not intelligent, or maybe I'm not that smart, but audience is very smart. So if we give them the space, give them the options, they understand, they are well educated, they know cinema, what is cinema we are talking about. So this film gives a huge space to them. So according to their intelligence, experience, background, life experience, they will get something out of it. We are absolutely no preaching in this film. No. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks for please come. And my social media, please come.
चलो थैंक यू आइए सर ओके सर
ओके थोड़ा पीछे होंगे तो सब लोग आएंगे सर थोड़ा प्लीज